Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can add clickable links in your YouTube video description. So what you want to do, you want to open up the YouTube app, and then you'd want to go and tap on the video that you would like to add in your video description, and you want to tap on the share icon, and then you want to click, and then you want to tap on copy link. And now that you have the video link copied, you want to exit out of YouTube and you want to go to YouTube Studio. Now that you're in YouTube Studio, what you would want to do, you want to go look for that video that you've just uploaded. It can be a different video, but for this I'm going to be showing how to add it in your recent video. So I'm going to tap on my videos, and then I'm going to tap on the video that I want to add the link under, and then I'm going to tap on the pencil icon. I'm going to tap on the pencil icon underneath the title, and then I'm gonna. So what you want to do, basically, you want to tap on your screen for about 1 to 2 seconds until you see this pop up, and then you want to tap on paste. And now that you've pasted the video link or website link, you want to tap on that back arrow, and then you want to tap on save. And now that you save that, the link will automatically appear underneath that particular video that you've just added the video link under. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you guys would like to see any more tutorials like this one, please leave a comment below this tutorial/video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a like. Share this video if you think this video is suitable to help someone. And without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial.